How to fix COD, Modern Warfare keeps crashing on Windows. 1. Close all of your background apps via WTM. 2. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Set texture quality to high or normal. Details and texture, set texture resolution to high or normal. Path, Call of Duty, Modern Warfare options game settings graphics. 4. Scan and repair your game. 4.1 Steam, 4.2 BlizzardBattle.net. 5. Stop overclocking. 6. Disable NVIDIA VSync for Modern Warfare. 6.1 Add Modern Warfare. .exe/program files, x86, /Call of Duty Modern Warfare / into NVIDIA's 3D settings list. 6.2 Select off the vertical sync. 7 Disable Discord in-game overlay. 8. Change priority. Like this.